Hello students, and you are welcome back to solve your mathematics past question class. And we'll be solving our question from West African Examination Council from the year 2010 to 2020. And we'll be solving a question relating to logarithm. This is to further prepare you for your upcoming examination and to solidify your understanding on the topic of logarithm. So let's begin, shall we? The first question I have on my table is Wide Past Question 2017. It says, evaluate log 32 base 2. It's simple. Applying our rules of log, we will be having log 32 base 2 means we'll further express 32. Then we'll be having log into bracket 2 raised to the power 5 close bracket base 2. And by the time we apply another law of logarithm, just like the one you are seeing on your screen, then we'll have 5 log 2 base 2. And the law of log says that when you're having the same logarithm number with the base, it is equals to 1. Take for example, log a base a equals to 1. So 5 times log 2 base 2 will be 5 times 1 equals to 5 as our final answer. The second question I have on my table is Wide Past Question 2016. It says, if log x base 5 equals to 3, find x. Applying the rule of log, then we'll be having log x base 5 equals to 3. Then we'll be having x equals to 5 raised to power 3. Based on the rule of log you are seeing on your screen. So we then have x equals to 5 raised to power 3 will be 5 times 5 times 5. Then x equals to 125. The third question I have on my table is from the Wide Past Question 2015. It says simplify log 0.01 base 10. How do we solve this? 0.01 can further to be expressed as 1 over 10, which can give us 10 raised to the power minus 2. So we have log 10 raised to the power minus 2 base 10. Just as a rule of log, we'll be having minus 2 log 10 base 10. The rule of log says that when you're having the same number with the same base in logarithm, then it is equals to 1. So minus 2 times log 10 base 10 equals to minus 2 times 1 equals to minus 2 as our final answer. The third question I have on my table is Wide Past Question 2014. It says solve for x if log 16 base x equals to 2. Then applying the rule of log in this equation will give us 16 equals to x raised to power 2. This is the rule of log. Then we'll be having x raised to power 2 equals to 16. Then we have to do with the x to get the value of x. We send the square to the other side to become the square root of 16. And the square root of 16 is 4. So our x is equals to 4. And the last question I'm having on my table for today's class is evaluate log 27 base 3. How do we solve this? Yes, just as we've been solving other questions. What we have to do is to further express 27 as a number. Then we'll be having 3 raised to the power 3. So we then have log into bracket 3 raised to the power 3 close bracket base 3. Then applying the rule of log, then we have 3 log 3 base 3. Then just as what we've been applying, then we'll be having 3 times 1 equals to 3. Thank you all for staying with me in today's class. I hope today's class have been able to better your understanding on the concept of logarithm. I look forward to see you shortly in our next class where we'll further solve more past questions spanning from year 2010 to 2020 on the topics of logarithm to better your understanding and to prepare you for your upcoming examinations. See you shortly.